Hello guys, good morning. So ngayon, gagawa tayo ng favorite ng my son ko na mac and cheese. Meron lang tong 3 ingredients na gagamitin natin for today. Guys, ang kailangan natin ay evaporated milk, macaroni, elbow, and quick melt. Yan, any will do. Kahit ano pwede nyo gamitin. Lalagyan natin ng salt. Ayan, salt. And also, palagyan natin ng konting mantika. Lagyan na natin yung evaporated milk. So guys, kumukulo na siya. Nalagyan na natin ng cheese. Melted cheese. How is it?
Good. Very cheesy and creamy.